Exploring protein sources for a balanced diet. Number 1. Lean meats. Lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are rich sources of high-quality protein. They are low in fat and provide essential amino acids that the body needs for various functions. Grilled, roasted, or baked, these meats can be incorporated into various dishes for a protein boost. Number 2. Seafood. Seafood, particularly fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, is packed with protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are not only beneficial for muscle growth but also support cardiovascular health. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and cost-effective protein source. They contain all the essential amino acids and are also rich in various vitamins and minerals. The protein in eggs is found in both the egg white and the yolk, so enjoy the whole egg for maximum nutrition. Incorporating a variety of protein sources into your diet ensures that you get a broad spectrum of nutrients and amino acids. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.